Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce. My name is Siti Damayanti. My student ID number is 4414-19002, and I am from is Chemistry Education Class B. And I am from the Department of Chemistry and Chemical Education Study Program in Gorontalo State University. I'm from is Group 4, and here I will present Module 6 with the title Zeolite Synthesis from Rice Husk. The next is Objective Synthesis Zeolites from RHA. Zeolites are three-dimensional silica alumina crystal formed from tetrahedral alumina and silica with cavities inside that contain metal ions, usually alkaline or alkaline soil and free-moving water molecules. One of the zeolites element is silica. The quality of an element depends largely on its purity. Rice husk has a very high silica content. Silica level in rice husk range from 85 and 37%. Zeolite can be found naturally and can also be made with certain techniques or synthetic zeolite. Synthetic zeolite have different characteristics to natural zeolite. If the characteristics of natural zeolite depend on the geological and geographical condition of nature, then the characteristics of synthetic zeolite are only influenced by synthesis techniques, manufacturing process condition, and composition of raw materials. The next is method. The first is experimental tools. Is watch glass, beaker glass, measuring cup, drop pipette, spatula, measuring flask, mortar, analytical balance, hot plate, oven. And experimental materials is rice husk ash, aqua dash, filter paper, potassium hydroxide, and aluminium sulfate. The next is experimental wall scan. In the start, weighing the sample RHA as much as 22.5 gram for 3 comparisons. In weighing KOH with different grams compositions as much as 5 grams is 4.3075 and 3.75 and add 10 ml of water. And weighing aluminium sulfate 3.75 gram for 3 comparison and add 10 ml of water each, and the solution is changed. And the teach solution is transferred into the watch glass and then dried in the oven. In observe the change that occur and the finish. The next is discussion. Zeolite is a rock that has a unique and porous crystal structure with an element the dominant are aluminate and silicate. So, zeolite is widely used in various fields, including absorbers, waste handling, animal feed, catalysts, and zeolites are also widely used as materials. Research abroad or in Indonesia. In the experiment, rice husk ash was used for zeolite synthesis in the sample. The rice husk ash used was taken from a hard road number is 24, North Toto, Silongkabila, Bone Bolango Regency, and Gorontalo, Indonesia. The zeolite synthesis experiment used sample of rice husks is because rice husks are the largest source of silica. This experiment uses rice husks as weighing 22.5 grams for 3 comparisons to 7.5 grams for 8 comparisons. Then we weighed aluminum sulfate made in 3 comparisons where of aluminum sulfate is 3.75 grams to rate of 1.25 grams each. After weighing, we dissolve aluminum sulfate using 10 ml of water. Then we weighed potassium hydroxide made in 3 comparisons 10 grams to 5 grams. The second rate of 8.78 grams to 4.375 grams, and the third rate of 7.5 grams to 3.775 grams. After weighing, we dissolve potassium hydroxide using 10 ml of water. Next, mix rice husks with a solution aluminum sulfate and potassium hydroxide with a comparison. The result of this treatment is an insoluble solution in deposits are formed from rice husks. The solution is called a heterogeneous solution. The next is mixing with aluminum sulfate with potassium hydroxide aims to dissolve various impurities found in rice husks, so it can increase the percentage of silica elements in egg. Material and unweighted materials are experiencing the rate of seal. Heating the solution over the water handled while stirring aims to make the solution quickly dissolve and thicken. The result of this treatment is that the solution turns viscous or gel-shaped. This heating is done by stirring so that the clumping process occurs evenly. After thickening, then dry in the oven at 65 to 69 degrees Celsius for 1 hour until the samples dries until hair texture and pitch black. The next is conclusion. Based on experimental results and observation, it can be said the zeolites can be synthesized in rice husks as using potassium hydroxide as base and aluminum sulfate as an acid. It is indicated by the resulting form of zeolites. Microwave synthesis that runs at temperature can produce zeolite crystal synthesis after 60 minutes. That's my video presentation. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.